Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying the Creepy Crafty Days of Halloween series that I've got going on. If you would like to join in, please feel free. Just make sure to use the hashtag CreepyCraftyDays so that everyone can see all the awesome stuff you're making. But anyway, I know it's been a while since I've done just kind of a chit-chatty video, so I thought for the voiceover for this mixed media tag video thing, that I would just kind of catch up with you guys, because you may or may not have noticed that I took quite a break from the YouTubes for a lot of this year. I think the last videos I made were back in like March or something, and I kind of took the summer off. So I just wanted to kind of talk to you guys about that a little bit in case you were wondering where I've been and what I've been up to. If you're not interested in that kind of stuff, totally get it. That's fine. You're not going to hurt my feelings if you want to like mute the video and just kind of watch the tag like craziness that's happening right now. Speaking of which, I hope you guys do find this video enjoyable. I was just wanting to get kind of creative and have some fun without like the pressure of creating like a whole project from start to finish and filming it and doing all that. I just kind of wanted to play with my stash and make some fun little tags to like layer up in like Halloween projects later on. So anyway, where have I been? I've been here, just not really filming a lot. This year for me personally has been kind of crazy and stressful, and yeah, so I kind of pulled back, and I'm really sorry about that. You know, but sometimes you gotta do what's best for yourself, like mentally, and take care of yourself before you can kind of take care of others. So I'm trying not to beat myself up about it too much, about taking such a big break, and I hope you guys understand and you aren't mad at me, but you know, I feel like I'm kind of in a better place now, and I've kind of come out of the funk I was in, and I'm ready to get back to making cool videos for you guys. But yeah, this year has been kind of stressful, I feel, for everyone. There's kind of a lot going on in the world, and not a lot of it is really great all the time. And for me, like, that stuff, like, really, really affects me, like, my emotional well-being. So yeah, so that's why I've taken a break. I took a break off of like personal Facebook just because things were just really getting to me, and I know that I'm like super privileged that I'm able to do that, but I feel like, I don't know, my mental health is important to me. I've struggled with it in the past. I've dealt with depression before, so it's like I have to be really careful of what I allow myself to like have access to. I don't know if that makes any sense. So like, I know that I'm really privileged to be able to take a step back, and yeah, and I know that not everybody is able to do that. So yeah, but all of that aside, this year was also like a big birthday year for me. I turned 35, which I know is not old, but like when I turned 30, you guys, like it was super easy compared to turning 35. For some reason, I just had a really easy time with 30, probably because my 20s were like pretty much awful. So I was excited to leave my 20s behind, and I had new adventures to look forward to and all that. So, but you know, 35 has just been hard, and combine that with the year in general as it's going, and you know, some personal stuff I have going on, it's just like it was all too much, you guys, and I couldn't deal. I was in a pretty bad place there for a while this summer. Yeah, so I hope you guys can understand why I took a little bit of time off. Yeah, I'm also trying to like figure out what I want to do with PopFizzPaper. I'm not much into like the decorative planning anymore. I don't know if I've kind of outgrown it, or I don't know, it takes a lot of effort, and I'd rather focus like my creative energy on creating like actual crafting. I don't know if that makes sense or if anybody feels the same way. I hope you're not disappointed in me. I'm just trying to be like really honest with you guys. Yeah, so I haven't been feeling that, so I haven't been using my planner a whole lot. As for like decorating it, I've been using it kind of more functionally for list making and things like that. So I don't know, I would think I might want to start taking PopFizzPaper in kind of a different direction. I hope to always have planner stickers because I know a lot of you love them and I don't want to disappoint anyone, and I know a lot of you guys really are still, you know, deep in the planning, and I think that's amazing. I'm just not quite there right now. Maybe I'll jump back into it and be super inspired again by it, but for right now I think I'm just taking a little bit of a break. So yeah. Anyway, the video is just about done. I hope this video wasn't like super depressing, you guys. Yeah, I mean, I'm still me, I'm still here, and you know, I don't want any of you guys to worry or anything like that, but I know some of you guys have like sent me messages and like comments and stuff about where I've been, so I just wanted to be really open about that and share that with you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, but I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys then. Bye! Thank you for joining me today for Creepy Crafty Days. If you missed yesterday's video, you can click here to watch it. If you'd like to start the playlist over, you can click right here. And if you'd like to subscribe, of course, why wouldn't you? You can click right here. I'd love to have you guys follow along. Thank you again so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!